Tell me honestly, why does insurance, which is meant to protect us, at times feels like a burden? एक तो प्रीमियम और उसके ऊपर अगर हमें कोई कहे कि जीएसटी देना है तो वो हमें एक पनिशमेंट लगता है rather than a protection. But now something big is going to happen. With GST 2.0 reform, government is planning to either remove or reduce the GST on the life and the health insurance. Now what does that mean? That means less tax and more protection. Now let's take an example. If you're taking a life insurance for the sum assured 1 crore and let's say you're paying that premium for next 20 years, the premium without GST would be approximately 44,600 and with GST it can shoot up to more than 52,700. That means if the GST is removed completely, you're going to save a difference of 8,000. And let's go it further. If you invest this 8,000 for 20 years in mutual funds at the rate of 15%, you can create a corpus of more than 25 to 27 lakh. And this reform practically is just not about reducing or removing the GST. And it's about making more affordable and actually making Indian truly Atmanirbhar. This means giving more financial security and self-reliancy to each individual, be it of any class of people. Think about it. When insurance become more lighter on your pocket, financial independence become more stronger in your life. And isn't that the true meaning of Atmanirbhar? So do not think insurance as an optional. Make it mandatory and an integral part of your financial planning. Now I want to hear from you all. If you agree that GST should be completely scrapped from the insurance, put a comment in the comment box.